G'day guys and gals. We're at the Tool Man, local tool shop. And I see he's got a couple of Yamaha tractors here now, so he's branched out a bit. He does quite a few things. He's also the village leader. And that's, they fitted the new pulley because it had to be turned out to go onto the shaft on the new motor. But Susie started it by herself, which was good to hear. Yeah. Everyone thought it was funny that Susie was testing it.
Yeah. Good morning everyone. I am Susie here. And my husband John Kruger sit beside me here as well.
Is the Tool Man a subscriber now? Is he one of your subscribers?
I have to send a video for him and I will let him know to subscribe for us. ช่างสาวเป็นร้านนรงค์ When we get there I will grab his phone. Brainstorming.
Well, it didn't go on as easy as they thought.
There are 3 technicians. To do this job.
Yeah. Well, it's got to work better than the old one. They're going to take the old one back and put the carb on and get it going. And good luck to them. Good bloody luck to them. Yeah.
This is handsome man.
In my heyday. Streets of Sydney. Hi guys and gals. This is what brings me here again today, the bagman of the brothel, and I hope one day I can entice you to buy it. I mean, an audio copy is about $6 and everything's available on Amazon, bookstores. I mean, there's so many places you could buy it, but Amazon is the quick and easy one. Well, thank you guys. When I finish my exercise, I'll say good night.
Please subscribe for us, very helpful. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.